Imagine having a little metal friend that actually listens to you and talks back. The Fedonak Talking Robot is about to become your kid's new favorite companion, and here's why. This isn't just some plastic toy that sits in the corner collecting dust. We're talking about a solid metal body robot that feels premium the moment you pick it up. The first thing that catches your eye are those LED eyes that light up and respond to touch. Yes, you heard that right. This little guy is touch sensitive, so every time your child interacts with it, those eyes come alive with different expressions and colors. Now here's where it gets really fun. This robot repeats everything you say in the most entertaining robotic voice. Your kids can tell it jokes, sing songs, or just have full conversations, and the robot mimics them back instantly. It's like having a personal echo buddy that never gets tired of playing along. Parents, you're going to love this part. It's completely rechargeable, which means no more scrambling for batteries at the worst possible moment. Just plug it in with the included USB cable, charge it up, and you're good to go for hours of playtime. The portability factor is huge too. This robot is compact enough to take anywhere, whether it's a road trip, a visit to grandma's house, or just moving from room to room. Kids can carry their new friend wherever they go. The sound quality is surprisingly clear, and the interactive features keep children engaged for way longer than you'd expect. It encourages them to talk, play, and use their imagination in ways that screen time just can't match. Now let's talk about what actual customers are saying. Parents are raving about how durable this robot is, with that metal construction standing up to drops and rough play that would destroy lesser toys. Kids absolutely love the voice repeating feature and spend hours making the robot say silly things. Many reviews mention it's become a go-to gift that actually gets used instead of forgotten. Some customers note the robot's personality really shines through with those responsive LED eyes, making it feel less like a toy and more like a companion. A few mention the rechargeable battery lasts impressively long between charges. The overall sentiment is that this robot delivers way more entertainment value than its price tag suggests, making it a smart buy for any child who loves interactive tech. Write down your questions and feedback in the details section of the video. Like and subscribe for more AI gadgets and robotics content. Then watch the next video that will appear in front of you soon. See you there.